Subway. Now, this is the one I'm going to be doing. So. That's what this thing out to characters. I can show you a couple things. Show you that. No. Okay. Where'd that robot go? Good for a weekend. Robot? Oh, come on. What I just got? Focus. Later. Love players and you will again. We'll take this way too far and leave you breathless. The nasty sky, the static covers, throw your arm into. Ah! Name. Sorry guys, not just focus. Crystal skies. Incredible things. Kisses. Maybe when you'll find out what you want. Yet to go. And up behind perfect storms I can make all the same. And that's what I want to keep. Why is he shaking me up and down? Really? Okay, that's the whole point of the game. Why is he shaking us up and down? Like, really? We don't have any weapons, really? If we did, we would just get you. Am I playing this yet? Okay, I haven't. Well, one last one, I think. I have 5 characters. I don't know if I'll play 5, I don't know. Two more, actually. Okay guys, I cannot see, that's why I'm doing really bad. Let's see. If I don't hear it, let's do it. I mean, last one is a ninja. That was the first character I got. Sorry guys, it's really lumpy. It's just because I'm on a road right now and I can't control both of them. Alright, name. I know it looks weird. I tried to figure out how to make it without the phone. I didn't call it. Actually, the tablet's actually upside down. Tablet. Just a little bit tight. Okay. No. because it looks weird. I mean, oh, come on. I died. Okay, that's it for y'all guys. I hope y'all have a important